If just the thought of high-performance boating still sets your blood racing, it's time to set your sights on Formula FASTECH. No other boating can compare. That throttle's wide-open freedom on big water can't be surpassed. The fine-tuned stepped hull delivers that fast, solid, controlled ride Formula is so well known for. Choose a 292, 353, or the impressive 382 FASTECH for lots of thrilling good times ahead. Now more than ever, FASTECH graphics declare your personal statement, plus other sizzling colors and designs let you express your style.